So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been to a water park and went down a water slide? They are so much fun. Hey, why don't you and I draw a water slide together? Okay, I'm gonna draw a green water slide. First, I'm gonna start by drawing a letter S. Wow, what a great letter. Wow, it looks so cool. I love the letter S. Okay, then we'll draw another letter S right next to it, and then we'll connect them just like that. Whoa, with a small oval down there. And then let's draw a square up here. This is how you get into the water slide. And you can't forget about the ladder. Whoa, just like that, with some lines for the steps. Whoa, and then what's it missing? Water! Yeah! You spit out at the bottom and then go into the water. Whoa, they are so fun! I love water slides and I love drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!